Over the next couple hours, I'm gonna try to land graphic design clients by creating artwork for celebrities, hoping they post them, leading to multiple people hitting me up from everywhere asking for artwork. Alright, because look, the best way for a graphic designer to start with no reputation, like from the ground floor, is to make free artwork for celebrities, for influencers, because these people act as walking billboard for you and your business. And with something like artwork, bro, that usually does the trick. I knew that I needed to get to work on finding the perfect candidate, as I knew it wouldn't be easy, because ultimately what you're looking for is somebody that would not only see it and love it, but possibly repost it or even post it on their story. All right, now today I'm gonna use one of my favorite people, somebody's attention that I've been trying to get for a very long time, and that's my boy MrBeast. MrBeast is widely known as the king of YouTube and someone who a simple retweet or repost could really change things for a lot of people. Today, I'm gonna use another Adobe tool called Illustrator. Illustrator is mostly used for shapes, color, and typography. And what I'm gonna use it for today is make a cartoon drawing of MrBeast and post it in hopes that he retweets or reshares or even post it on his story. So, all right, so what I'm gonna do first is find a picture of MrBeast, right? So I'm gonna look up MrBeast. Like this will actually work perfect. All right, so and then boom, we're gonna come into Illustrator, right? And if you're opening Illustrator for the first time, then this is similar to what you would see. I'm gonna come over here to new file. So once you have that open, it's pretty simple. You're gonna paste in the image you just copied, and then boom, you will see my boy Jimmy, aka MrBeast, right there. Now there's a couple things I'm gonna do prior, and feel free to walk along and kind of do this on your own if you want to do it. So I'm gonna come over here to the layers panel, right? And I'm gonna lock this layer for now. And I'm gonna rename this layer. Then I'm gonna create another layer right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna create a brush. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here to the shapes. I'm gonna hit ellipse tool. I'm gonna fill it in with a black over here at the top. And I'm gonna simply just make like a little oval, right? And then what you're gonna do is hit convert and then convert to corner, and you're gonna understand why here in a minute, right? So you're gonna open up your brush panel, you're gonna slide down to the bottom, and you can make this taller if you want, and you're gonna take this shape and drag it right in. I'm gonna start with his face, right? I'm not even gonna do his neck, I'm gonna just do his face, right? So first thing I'm gonna do is come over here with my line art, kind of zoom in here. I mean, on the ears, I'm gonna get a little smaller. So the stroke is at 1 point, so I'll probably do a 0.5 stroke for his ears. All right, so next we're gonna do the hair, and I'm gonna start with the hair on his head, and I'm gonna use the pencil tool for this. And always remember, bro, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can literally go back and fix and change anything. Like, that's what I like about. All right, so now that I got my line art done, now it's time to go ahead and color him in. Okay, now we're gonna do shadows. I could really get complex with this with the hair if I wanted to, but I think this looks good to get like a design off and post it. So that's what I'm about to do. All right, so I'm actually about to take him into Photoshop as a smart object. All right, now I'm gonna take one of his existing graphics and use. All right, now last but not least, I'm gonna always tell you to put your logo on this graphic really small down here so that anybody who ever sees this will know who did it, and boom, we're gonna save it off and then we're gonna post it. Now that the graphic was created, I only faced one problem, bro. It was kind of late by the time I got done doing this, and so I went ahead and put the tweet up. I went ahead and went on Instagram and made the post. And so what I need you to do, go on my socials, go on those posts and tag MrBeast. Help me make this the biggest video ever, man. So if Jimmy does retweet this and post this, then I'm gonna come back and make a video. If he doesn't, then that means we're gonna start a series where we do this every week. We're gonna try to get somebody famous, somebody with a lot of following, and post one of our designs to try to get more clients. I have a video teaching you how to learn graphic design, how anybody can learn graphic design. Meet me over in that video. I love y'all, bro. Let's get it.